Hello, skincare enthusiasts. I'm Candice Betty, and today we're talking about how and why to use clarifying toner from Organic Radiant Skincare. Now, you're going to find out how this toner preps your skin for your moisturizer to absorb more nutrients and why it's so popular for people with sensitive skin. If you want to know how to use your skincare products to get the most out of them, you're in the right place. We're getting started right now. Now, I used to skip using toner in the winter because I thought it dried out my skin. Now, I use clarifying toner every time I do my skincare routine, and here's why. I have very sensitive skin, and when I wash my face, I want to restore my skin's natural moisture barrier as well as the pH of my skin as soon as possible. Now, clarifying toner helps me do that because one, it helps to remove any residual makeup or soap that I missed while washing my face, and it balances the pH right away. So it brings my skin to a more acidic pH, which is the natural pH of my skin. It also gently exfoliates using alpha hydroxy acids, so I don't need to exfoliate as often, which is a benefit for sensitive skin, as well as minimizing the look of my pores here on my nose, which is important to me. It also calms my skin with essential oils, and it helps prepare my skin to receive the nutrients in my serum and my moisturizer, which will be the next videos. Now, you want to start out by washing your face with Purifying Black Face Wash first. I recommend washing your face in the morning and at night, and then we're going to use clarifying toner as step number 2. Now, if you missed out on the first video, that was how to use Purifying Black Face Wash. That is video 1 in this series, how to use your skincare products. And I'll post a link to video 1 in the description of this video. Now, once we're ready to use this, grab yourself a cotton pad and pour about a dime size or maybe a little more. It's depending on how your skin absorbs the toner. Sometimes I do the bottom of my face here, and I want to use an upwards and outwards motion. And then I'll apply a little bit more and I'll do my forehead. So I don't want to help gravity out ever by pulling down. I always want to be going up and out. And just be gentle with your skin, as always. Well, there you have it, how and why to use clarifying toner from Organic Radiant Skincare. It's got alpha hydroxy acids to help balance your skin, and it also helps to prep your skin to absorb the nutrients in your serum and moisturizer. Now, the third video, we're going to talk about how to use the Ultimate Cocktail Facial Serum, which is my all-time favorite serum. I absolutely love this serum, but that's another video. If you want to try clarifying toner for yourself, you can order it directly from Organic Radiant Skincare at their website. I'll post a link to that in the description. If you think this video helped you out, I'd love it if you'd share it with a friend who you think it would help. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.